10 easy Igbo words. Kedu, how are you? Kedu, how are you? Biko, please. Biko, please. Bia, come. Bia, come. Yes. Yes. Mba, no. Mba, no. Mba, no. Ego, money. Ego, money. Dalu. Dalu is a general greeting, especially in the northern dialects. So you would hear Dalu no, which is like saying hi, hello to everyone. You would also hear Dalu olu, which is similar to Jisie Ike. So Dalu olu, hi to someone who is doing some work. You may also hear Daluzi, which is goodbye to someone who is leaving. But as someone learning Igbo, you use Dalu simply to say thank you. Thank you. Those northern dialects will say Dalu so, which is still thank you. So Dalu is thank you. Dalu, thank you. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Nri, food. Nri, food. Ndo. Ndo is also a general greeting, but it's mostly used to show sympathy when someone is in pain or someone is dealing with one thing or the other. You say Ndo just to say, I understand. That's what Ndo means. Whether or not you caused the pain, you say Ndo to show that you understand and to sympathize with the person. Yeah, that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye.